Question number 4. The ratio of the volumes of two spheres is 8:27. The ratio of the volume of two spheres. There is one sphere, another sphere. The ratio of the two spheres, volume, this is small sphere, this is big sphere, small and big. The ratio of the volumes, the capacity of the spheres is 8:27. Now question, the ratio between their surface area is, what? The volume ratio is 8:27. The ratio between their surface area is what? This is sphere number 1. This is sphere number 2. There are two spheres. The ratio of the volumes what is given? Volume of sphere number 1, by volume of sphere number 2, that is given as 8:27, that is 8/27. You are already studied in small classes. The ratio can be written in fraction. A is to B equal to A by B. That is 8:27 is 8/27. Which implies volume of sphere number 1. Since there are two spheres, the radius is different. The volume of sphere is formula 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of the sphere, capacity of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. But it is two sphere. First sphere radius r1, second sphere radius r2. That is 4/3 pi r1 cube. 4/3 pi r1 cube by volume of sphere 2, 4/3 pi r2 cube equal to 8/27. 4/3 cancel. Pi cancel. Next step. Which implies r1 power 3 by r2 power 3 equal to, that 8 can be written as 2 power 3. The 27 is 3 power 3. Which implies r1 power 3 by r2 power 3. You are already studied in 8th standard. A power 3 by A power m by B power m is A by B whole power m. Therefore, r1 power 3 by r2 power 3 is r1 by r2 power 3 equal to 2 power 3 by 3 power 3 is 2/3 power 3. Taking cube root on both sides. If you take cube root, the power 3 will be cancelled. Which implies taking cube root on both sides. Taking cube root on both sides implies that power 3 will be cancelled. What we will get? r1 by r2 equal to 2/3. r1 by r2 equal to 2/3. It is equation number 1. What is equation number 1? r1 by r2 equal to 2/3. That I am going to write it on the side. That is necessary for our problem. r1 by r2 equal to 2/3. Now I am erasing this step. We are getting the ratio of the radius. The ratio of the radii, radius singular, radii plural. The ratio of the radii of two sphere is 2:3. Now what is the question? The ratio between their surface areas. Ratio between their surface areas. That is ratio between their surface areas is question mark. Ratio between their surface area of two sphere is question mark. We wanted to find. Therefore, that is, we wanted to find S1 by S2 equal to what? S1 by S2. Surface area of first sphere is to surface area of second sphere. That is S1 by S2 equal to surface area of sphere number 1. Sphere number 1 radius is R1. Sphere number 2 radius is R2. Therefore, 4 pi R1 squared by 4 pi R2 squared. Surface area of sphere number 1 by surface area of sphere number 2. The formula for the first sphere, surface area, formula for second sphere, 4 and 4 cancel, pi and pi cancel. Therefore, which is equal to R1 squared by R2 squared. Which is equal to R1 squared by R2 squared. Therefore, S1 by S2 equal to R1 squared by R2 squared, which is equal to R1 by R2. R1 by R2 the whole square. R1 squared by R2 squared is R1 by R2 whole square. What is R1 by R2? R1 by R2 equal to 2 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3 the whole square. R1 by R2 is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 whole square. 2 by 3 whole square is 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. That is 4 by 9, which is equal to 4:9. That is surface area of sphere number 1 to sphere number 2. Two spheres surface area ratio is 4:9. The option is D, 4:9. Option D, 4:9. Problem completed.